Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back in the session of sounds of consonants and vowels in English alphabet. In this video, we will learn the sound of letter P. P. So let's start. Dear students, in English alphabet, we call this letter P. Yes, capital P. And this is the small p. Okay, but the sound of this letter is p. P. Okay, so let's practice of the sound of this letter with some words. Let's start. So repeat each word after me. Pack, pen, page, park, parrot, pen, pet, peas, paddle, pearl, pip, pin, pick, piano, pipe, pop, pole, potter, poem, potato, puff, put, pump, pause, pull. So dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Do the practice with this video to get perfection on the sound of letter P. We will meet again with the sound of next letter. Till then, take care, bye bye, and do practice.